Delicious. Ooh, so cool. Wow. Ooh, we are here. Say hi. Nobody. Be careful. So cute. Wow.
Mommy, look, sea urchin. It's nice to make a shot. Look at it. Oh, guys, look at this. It's so weird. Hey, everyone can find a shot. Hey, open it. See you later, guys.
Who's that?
Hi, Papa.
Oh, what's that? What's that? So cute. Hi, Papa. 你好。
Wow, the stick. Have fun!
Thank you.
Welcome to our hotel room. This is our room. We have 2 beds.
Which they have already messed up. Welcome to the room tour. So tired and exhausted.
We have fruits.
Yes.
Okay, come check out the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, you have a bathtub.
The sink is so clean. Now let's go to mommy room. Let's go. Mommy room doesn't have a bathtub, but it has a shower. It has a shower. And she already messed up her own bedroom. Yeah, she messed up her bedroom too.
Because I was so tired this afternoon. On the lights.
Ta-da!
Ooh, I have a sofa here. I can lounge and do my work here. Tomorrow I will show you the view. Good night, good night, everybody.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. Complimentary mini bar. Hey girls, the mini bar is complimentary.
Thank you.
So cute. They're for children, for babies also. It's so
You
cute.
got this red doo-doo guy. Captain Pirate Seal.
Wow. And oh, so cute. So cute. Rise and shine. My goodness, girls. Good morning. We are going for breakfast. Oh, so cute. What's your breakfast, girls? Yummy. Let's go for a swim.
I want to try this.
Oh my god.
this bit. So cool.
Wow. There's a walk-in wardrobe.
It's bigger than. It's connected to the bathroom. See?
Wow.
The bathroom is so clean. So you can wait inside. It's so. Wow. So big. Oh, let's go out to the moon.
I think it would say
Let's see outside. Come, let's see outside. Look, mommy, there's a swimming pool. So cool. Oh, there's the old pool.
it's the only one that has a connecting room.
Welcome to my room.
Wow, look at the room. Wow, wow, you have your own bed. Do you want to go swimming?
Yes.
Wow, look at the snacks. That's so cool. I love the tea. Look at the
Mommy,
view.
can we eat the snack in the other room?
Sure.
It's a very good snack.
Hello.
It's like that. Can we eat?
Wow, the Genesis family.
I got this other room.
You like that?
Yeah, my favorite.
Your favorite? What's that called?
I don't know.
You have a very nice view. I can see you from there. Mhm.
Huh.
Yummy.
It's
Wait.
open now.
Oh, so cool! Okay, open the door, open the door. Wow! On the light, on the light, on the light! Wait, on the light! On the light. Wow! Oh, this is so cool! Wow! You can see the pool from here. So cute!
It's bigger.
Whoa! So cute!
This is a kids' room.
This is the kids' room. Okay, this is my room. Hello! We just came back from the water park. Let's on the lights. What's this? Hi! Oh, I love this dressing corner. So cute, these pajamas. So cute in this. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow morning with the panda. Hi. Have fun. Go play.
Bye.